Morning. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it is currently 10:30 this morning and we're about to leave in about 15 minutes, so I better get myself sorted as quick as possible. Today my family and I are going to the Railway Garden Centre today, and yes, it is only 19th of October, but we are going as a family. We do this every year. We go to the Railway Garden Centre to see the Christmas lights, and I am very excited because you know how much I love Christmas. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get myself ready now, get myself sorted, and I'll see you guys when we leave. And the one thing I didn't tell you guys is I am more excited this year because I haven't been with them for 3 years. So because I've been working every weekend, and yeah, so this year I can actually go with them and do our routine. So let's just go and get ready. Okay guys, so it's 11:15 now. We left a bit later than usual, so I got this jumper on, my new key jumper with me, with my blue jeggings on. So I will see you guys when we leave. Right, we're now at the Railway Garden Centre and it's raining. It is raining, so let's see you in there. We're gonna go to the cafe and have food. We're here. So we're all in together now. It's 12:30 and we've just ordered our food. I was going to have quiche and didn't have it. So I have got a turkey roast now. So we have to, the half an hour wait. So yeah, we just have to wait for our food now. We're going to look around the Christmas lights and everything, and then we're having some family time. So it's lovely. See you later. This is my outfit for today, guys. So I've got my blue jeggings on, and I've got my Nuki jumper on, and yeah, gonna have a good day. So it's just dinner now, and I'm looking around and stuff. That's there every year, and it's really nice. So I'm gonna video around and show you some lovely Christmas lights. I love these. We've got all these as well. We love things like this because my nan puts these in her living room every year. Merry Christmas. I like that picture up there.
Look at that one, Granny. This is like a glittery Christmas tree. Oh, lovely, yeah. All the stuff spinning around. Is that one glow?
Got the little reindeer. Look at these, all these bows and stuff. Oh, that was a bloody human being then.
Where?
There.
Oh, yeah.
That was weird.
Oh, yeah.
These nice Christmas gifts, baubles. Got Granny, Holly, Mum, Uncle Jamie and Grandad, and Amy. Then we've got these for Halloween, because Halloween's coming up in like a few weeks. Because we gotta have a bit of Halloween and a bit of Christmas, you know? I love it because it's not quite Christmas yet. Christmas is in 67 days. These are cute, aren't they? Oh, look at these guys. And look who's up there. The elf on the shelf. These are nice though, aren't they? These nice baubles. Very unusual, aren't they? Little Santa. These are nice. How much are they? $2.97 for these baubles. And then we come back out here, and then we were back to this bit. We're currently going to get a drink now from a cafe, and then look around some more. Oh, look at the big sleighs! Not yet. Not yet. They do have normal ones, don't they, usually? Not yet, though. This is your fight, Polly, isn't it? Yeah. Happy Halloween. We got everything here. Got the Halloween section. And you come here and got all the exit only. What's this? Pumpkins.
Well, that's the outside of it.
Yeah, you go through there.
No, exit only.
So you go through that side.
Don't forget to slap your hands. Let you go first, honey.
I'll come in. And I'll scream now. Oh bloody hell, out my life.
Why are you clapping your hands?
Yeah, you clap your hands. Apparently it says be aware of flashing lights.
I don't want anything to just jump out.
Oh, hang on. Actually, I don't know about this, to be honest.
What if there's like a spider in you?
I'm scared.
No, it's only
Oh. Hang on a minute, Mum.
Why?
I'm scared. Oh my god. Oh. So we just went through there, and it was like it was the I filmed it all, and I was stupid enough to scream. But right, tea room is down there. Oh, that was so funny. Oh my god. All the fish.
Goldfish here.
Yeah. What, them ones over down there again?
Yeah, we've got the Shabankins out here.
Shavankins.
Black Iron Moors, what they are. Yeah.
Right, we'll go to the tea room now. Hello. More chairs. Hello. Hello, Sammy. No, it's that. Parrot.
I know, dear, but I've heard a scream.
Oh. Hello. Please hurry up then. Yeah, it's open. Both sides. Hello. Hello.
The eyes look
Hang on, do it. Anyway, do it again. I can't whistle.
like enough for today.
Funny.
Yeah, yeah. That's a big red carrot, yeah. Easy little yeah.
There we go.
No. We're down this way, aren't we? Yes.
Robin. Just by here, I used to always want one of them when I was younger. So I used to love horses. So all these. You have to have like a passcode to get into here. But I've always wanted one of these before when I was younger, but yeah, never got one. But all these guys got the toy section, things like that. But we're gonna go over there in a minute to look at the candles. We've got all these books by here about Brackington Newport. It's got all these things. Matilda.
Hero from all the way somewhere. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I'm just gonna have a look at these books.
She's gone down to the food because they think that they're gonna take ages in the candles. Got all these different foods. Got these biscuits for Halloween. These got Taylor's potato chips. Got veg cut potato chips. Never tasted them before, but they all see the Christmas versions. They're all over there, just looking over there. Uncle Jeremy, Grandad, Ollie. I know. I like this though. He's got little bows on them. Got these. God, that's a big one, isn't it, Mum? Never mind. A little candy cane. God, look at that over there. The £50,000 chocolate thing. They got all these like Tony's chocolates. I've actually had a bar before for like I think Christmas or my birthday, one of them, of the Tony's chocolate, and it was quite nice. And they even got like a vegan selection here as well with all the different sweets. So we have now finished here. We got all these little Christmas lights, had food, drinks, and like that, and now we're going back to the car to go home. Bye, have a good day. as usual.